What's up? I got this powder coat booth from a friend of mine.
Let's
Dan.
call him Dan.
And I already used an oven, something like that. Well, there's a space down there where that oven would fit, but it's about 8 inches too tall. So my solution is over here. Got my old oven that I've used for years torn apart, and I'm going to move the control panel up front, something like that. I had to cut all the wires, and I'm making them 2 feet longer. And I'm doing that with these handy dandy things. Low temperature solder and heat shrink. These things are sweet. And my heat gun down there. So yeah, I've just been making each one of them 2 feet longer, so that I can stretch that control panel out to where I can use it. Got the wire. 2 feet. Strip it. Here's the end that's on the stove. Go ahead and strip it. Yeah. A piece that I just cut and a heat shrink. Put this heat shrink on first. Line it up. Alright, where the wire's in the middle of the solder. Bring that other guy in there. Shove them together so they stick to each other until the solder holds them. Okay, and then you try not to disturb it too bad until everything's all melted up. All melted. Hold it still for a minute. It'll harden back up. And we'll move on to the next one. Got the wiring done, so it's time to check it all out. I've had it heating up for a few minutes. Seems to be working good. That all still working in there. Got the oven light to work. Heck yeah. Doing good. We'll get all the wiring tidied up and we'll put it in the hole. Took all the knobs for the top burners off and the light, just to clean that up some more. All gone. Tidy. We're done with the wiring project and the tidying. Here's all the pieces that came off this guy. Here's the panel up front. It'll go a little further. The ground wire back on even. There. All these wires tidied. Trim this back piece down and put the cover on. This part seemed like it'd be kind of interesting to watch, so decided I'd let you see. fits. I've been at this for almost 4 hours, so glad it fits in there. Cord sticking out the back. Yeah, that's what it's going to be like. Put some coat in somewhere like that. Powder coat, have the thing heating up. Out of there into there. I think that'll be real handy. Yeah, I found a place to mount this control board to. Get these 4 screws in the top of this thing. I'll take them out, make some holes in the bottom of that, and then that'll be attached to the oven. Sent some screws up on the top there. I put the 4 in that I just showed you I was going to. That's pretty secure. I'm gonna be right where I need it to be. Be warming up, ready. While we're doing some powder coating.
Hey, yeah, like, thank you for checking out my oven that I had over there, and now it's in here, and, yeah, this is a lot of fun, yeah, this whole thing, it fits in there, just like that, yep, this thing right here, this is the one, spent all this time putting it in there, and, yeah, from the top to the bottom, I made you watch the whole video, all of it, you just sat there, went from one end to the other, and I gotta applaud you for that. So yeah, this guy over here, I don't know, I might stick something cool in there, maybe have some pizza or something, I don't know, that sounds good to me. I'm kinda hungry. That was a lot of work. Only took you 8 minutes to watch, took me 4 hours. So hire me by the job and not by the hour. Anyway, this was fun. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Alright. Good night. Love you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Rock on. Bye bye.